Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Get a Better Life TV. Today, I want to share some valuable resources to help you deepen your journey into Yoruba spirituality. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, the right books and resources can be powerful tools on your spiritual path. Learning about Yoruba traditions, Orishas, and Ifa can be a lifelong journey. Luckily, there are many books, videos, and online resources that can guide and inspire you. So let's explore some of the most trusted and insightful materials you can add to your spiritual library. First, let's talk about books. You can watch my videos right up from the fly out to check the list of books that we have on Yoruba spirituality and Isheshe practice in general. In addition to books, our YouTube channel, Get a Better Life TV, is great for visual learners and practical tips. Learning isn't just about books. Connecting with a community can deepen your understanding. Look for local or online group or even spiritual cycles where you can share experiences and ask questions. Here are some tips to maximize your learning. Dedicate a little time each day to reading or listening. Keep a journal of insights, questions, and reflections. Practice what you learn through offerings, prayers, or meditation. Remember, knowledge is a powerful tool on your spiritual journey. The more you learn, the more you will understand your connection to the divine and your ancestors. Do you have favorite book or resources you would like to share? Drop them in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in to Get a Better Life TV. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual guidance. May your journey be filled with wisdom, growth, and divine blessings. Until next time, stay blessed and keep seeking knowledge. Bye for now.